You know, when you buy an LED light, when you're buying a table lamp, for example, when you're buying some strip lights, for example, what you're probably thinking is, I'm just going to get a table lamp, and I'm probably just going to get some strip lights. But instead, if you buy a Govee light, you're getting a lot more than that. You're getting the app, you're getting the customization, you're getting the ability to share your designs with other people, and you're getting the ability to share it with your friends. Let's say you have one of the table lamps and one of your friends does too. You could send each other cool designs. It's really, really cool. Let's say you saw somebody else on the internet that had a really cool looking gaming setup in their studio. You could go ahead and download their exact setup and their exact look, and just with the press of a button, boom, it's in your studio. The sharing capabilities through the app is absolutely amazing. Like seriously, their products are next level here. It's really amazing. I love the sharing component of this. It's totally amazing, for real. Like you think when you're buying some of these strip lights, you're just like, I'm just buying a pair of strip lights, I paste them on there and I make them green. It's so much more than that with these strip lights. If you've ever thought about buying strip lights, today is the day to do it. Just buy the freaking lights.